Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to recover suspended Instagram account. If you have lost access to your Instagram account, and they are facing too many failure attempts and other issues, so how you can fix all these things. So first of all, open Instagram. We suspended your account, 167 days left to appeal, or we'll permanently disable your account. And why this happened: your account, or activity on it, doesn't follow our community guidelines on spam. Click on appeal. Enter the code below. Next. Then enter your email address. We'll send a confirmation code to this email address. And send. Enter confirmation code. Enter the 6-digit confirmation code that we sent to Gmail. It may take up to a minute for you to receive this code. Then go to mobile home screen and open Gmail. Open this mail and copy code. Go to back on Instagram. Enter code which do you copied. Next. Click on here, and select own country. Then enter your mobile number. We'll send a confirmation code by text message to your mobile. And send. Enter confirmation code. Enter the 6-digit confirmation code that we sent to number. It may take up to a minute for you to receive this code. So my code is arrived. If your code is not arrived, so you can click here that says request new code. Next. You submitted an appeal on the 30th of September, 2024. It usually takes us just over a day to review your information. We'll take another look at your account. If we find that your account does follow our community guidelines, you'll be able to use Instagram again. If we find that your account doesn't follow our community guidelines, it will be permanently disabled and you won't be able to appeal again. After wait. Account successfully recovered. You're back on Instagram. We reviewed your account and found that it does follow our community guidelines on spam. Go to mobile home screen. Open Instagram. And log in. I hope this guide helps you recover suspended Instagram account easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more tutorials. See you in the next video.